Time to test some mattresses at Yawnder. I'm looking for one that's just right. All right, this one's nice, but just a little too soft for my liking. This looks nice. All right. All right, I like it, but it's not quite what I'm looking for.
You look so comfortable there.
I am. I was.
This looks perfect for you. You're really well aligned in this bed. You're a back sleeper, so this is our firmest one. I think this is a really nice fit. What do you think?
I'm sold. I want to get up and
so
talk to you
good.
more. I have to say, this is the best way to start an assignment.
That sounds great.
Okay, so tell me about this one. I loved it.
Yeah, this is one of our firmest mattresses that we have. It's super supportive. It gives really great motions transfer. So if you do sleep with a partner, you're not going to get disturbed by them. And you looked like you were just really almost ready to fall asleep right there.
I was. So excuse the literal bedhead as we have our conversation. We are at Yawnder. This is such a cool concept for a store. Tell me a little bit about the shopping experience.
Thank you. You know, our customers kind of come in feeling tired. They're really not having a great night's sleep. They may be really confused and overwhelmed with all of the options out there in the mattress realm. I don't know if you've ever Googled like find me a mattress for a side sleeper, you're going to come up with 1,000 review sites, 1,000 different mattress brands, and folks get really overwhelmed. So we just love to be able to let people know what our experience was with shopping for mattresses and giving them a really nice experience here in store.
Ben, I love how this business idea was born. Catherine was telling me you got pretty crazy with all your research, which isn't surprising. You're a former librarian.
I am, yeah. That was a while ago, but yeah, I started off this journey just really kind of trying to dive into the mattress world and get more information. And you know, at the library at that time, it was just Consumer Reports. There really wasn't much out there, so I thought, wow, there really is an information gap, and why not try and do my part to fill that and try and educate people about, you know, what's really under the covers here with these mattresses.
And I do think that is what people will find when they walk through the doors. This isn't a high pressure sales environment. This really is just you sharing the knowledge that you've gained over the years.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of liken it to a library in that I kind of sit at my reference desk, and if people have questions, they can approach me. I'm not lurking over you. There's no high pressure sales. And the beautiful thing is if you like the mattress and want to try it out at home, you certainly can. As we said, for at least 100 nights up to a year. If you don't like it, it's a free return. We just give you all your cash back, and we can also even refer you to other resources that might have what you need.
Well, while we are likening the store to a library, your inventory, your collection has some rare items, brands that we won't find anywhere else in San Diego.
Yeah, we do like to curate some eclectic things as well. So not only mattresses that you won't find anywhere else, but we also have things like designer laundry detergents, really high-end authentic Egyptian cotton sheets, all those little things that is going to add up to a holistic sleep environment that's great for health.
You know, we really have covered it all today when it comes to style and comfort, but we're missing a big piece of that puzzle. This is so important when it comes to your health.
It's essential to your health. Sleep is the third pillar of health. So you need to sleep about 8 hours a night, and think of it as your cell phone. If your cell phone's dead, you really can't function. That's essential. So you need to recharge that battery so you can be your best. So yes, a mattress is a huge part of it, but we take into account all sorts of factors such as temperature regulation, you know, your anatomy, how the pressure points are building up overnight, and all that can add up into, you know, incredibly improved sleep.
All right, wonderful. Thank you so much.